I recall like around 10% of all requests were failing or were retried, but it's down to zero. I'm software engineer at Dune. I've been working for Dune for over 4 years, mainly focused on full stack development. So there was like first solution when I joined was mostly just running it on front end on the client. So it was really very simple solution that didn't scale well with traffic. But the main issue we had was with scalability and also the issue of the queries and different pages requiring different amount of resources. And in the blockchain industry, also the issue is like traffic, because you can have like unpredictable traffic. In case of airdrops, you get like a huge amount of spikes. And it was so hard to like generate OG tags or for users to be able to generate screenshots for their charts. We had many fails, I think, and errors due to high traffic, and we weren't able to scale it in the proper speed we needed to, because we need to like keep some browsers in the hot path so we would be able to spin that up quickly and to generate the screenshots. The scalability was the main issue that we started to look for a different solution. And just looking like why we didn't build it like ourselves, I would say like it's not like the core business of Dune to be running browser automation. Like we are provider, like data provider, and for on-chain data, like we need to fix it last time and just like decide like what should be the right solution here. I've been evaluating multiple vendors and solutions, but I think the main blocker I remember we had with other vendors was we needed to run our own scripts inside browser. Mostly it would be like very simple that you just fetch URL, take a screenshot. But because we need to render private queries for our users, we need a solution where we can actually like inject some code into browser and run your arbitrary code there. And also we needed something where we don't need to make huge amount of changes in our code base. I remember like our solution importing to Browserless was like 2 lines or 3 lines where we just set up the WebSocket URL, and it was pretty simple. So we just needed something that would be quick. We've been able to run these browsers, inject our own code, and being able to generate screenshots. So we don't have to invest again like huge amount of hours into that. Yeah, we no longer have issues or any reports from customers, but yeah, it's down to zero. If we have like some issues, it's mostly some legacy queries that are failing, but it's working great. I recall the cost of pods that we were running in Kubernetes for screenshot service. Like one pod was maybe around $20, which was running just one browser. And that's just like the pods. You need like some kind of balancer, you need some queuing and some scaling for that. Just don't do it yourself, because you'll spend hours on that. It will never be that reliable. Like in today's world, I think when everything is vibe coded, you don't want to spend time on something that is like not core or the business of what you are building, and you should focus on features that are making business you are doing. Yeah, and not reinventing wheel, I guess, if there's a solution for that already.